Welcome back to the channel, where I'm endeavoring to see the world. Today, I'm in one of my favorite cities in Europe, Bruges, in Belgium. In this video, I will show you what we got up to, the city's highlights, and ideas for your visit. Bruges, or Brugge, as you might hear it called in Dutch, is located in the West Flanders region of Belgium near the coast. The city center is recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and it's popular with tourists from all over year-round due to its pretty canals and medieval architecture. The historic city center is easy to walk around, or you can join a canal boat tour and admire it from that perspective. Postcard-perfect scenes by the canals are around every corner, which is why it is one of my favorite cities. At the very heart of the city is the Market Square, surrounded by notable buildings, most notably the Belfry, a medieval bell tower which dates back to the year 1240. You can visit it and climb to the top for amazing views of the city and surroundings. The Market Square is a large open space. There's a weekly market selling food and flowers, but you'll have to time your visit to be on a Wednesday to see that. Horse-drawn carriage is another way to explore the city. It costs about €70 for a half-hour tour over the cobbled streets past many landmarks, and you don't need to book. If you think this scene looks familiar, you might have seen the 2008 film In Bruges, starring Colin Farrell. The Belfry, along with other spots in Bruges, was used during the filming. Also at Christmas time, there is a large Christmas market in this space. There are a lot of shopping opportunities, particularly for chocolates near the main square. Also, plenty of pubs serving Belgian beer, cafes and restaurants. Flemish or Dutch is the main language in this area, but French and English are widely spoken. So I mentioned the chocolate. Belgian chocolate is well known around the world, and here you will find many shops who are not just selling and displaying, but they are hand-making the chocolates on site. Some of the shops you can even watch the chocolatiers at work. Whether or not you buy any, the displays are really eye-catching, and there are many options all packaged up to take home. Prices can vary, but you can expect to pay around €1 minimum per piece, or a 250-gram gift box could range from €10 upwards depending on the shop. In Bruges, you'll want to visit these museums, and if you visit both, there is a special discounted ticket. The Choco Story Museum is dedicated, of course, to the origin of chocolate, but also the making of it, and its use over time. Best of all is the sampling at the end. Then nearby is the Friet Museum, or Fry Museum, for all the background of how the Belgian fry came to be, from the humble origins of the potato to worldwide dominance as a fry. This museum is really entertaining. Hold on to your tickets, as they contain a discount for an order of fries. In the lower ground floor of the Friet Museum is a restaurant making Belgian fries in the traditional method, and a wide range of sauces for dipping. Pretty good fries, I have to say. Besides fries and chocolate, you can find other artisan cafes near the square. Here's one I recommend, Merveilleux de Friet, and their specialty is the Merveilleux which is a meringue, but specially adapted to make it lighter and fluffier. They are also baking other French specialties like pastries and brioche. Très bien indeed. On offer are drinks like tea, coffee, fresh squeezed orange juice, and wine. This is not original to Bruges, but the Baroque decoration and elegant seating area overlooking the street make it a welcome coffee break while exploring. Bruges is easily accessed by train or road, so it's easy to get to, which might account for its popularity. It is even on many cruise itineraries, as its port, Zeebrugge, can accommodate large cruise ships. Bruges train station is about a 20-minute walk from the market square. FYI, the public toilet at the station costs €1.10. If your train is coming soon, there are toilets on the train though. So why not visit the coast while in Bruges? The seaside city of Blankenberge is just 11 minutes away by train. And it's a direct train. You can pay a little extra for first class upstairs. It does look nice for a longer journey, but we're only on for 11 minutes. Then we arrive at the beach. Blankenberge has an incredible stretch of sandy beach. This is the North Sea coast, so the water is chilly most of the year, even if the weather is warm. There are quite a few beachside restaurants and cafes. Also, a long promenade with the Art Deco Belgium pier to the east and the marina to the west. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe so you'll see where I go next. Check out my channel for other city guides and travel tips, and you can also follow me on Instagram. Bye for now, and see you in the next video.